I'm talking about a food called tomato or gokru in Hindi. It is called gokru and tomato in Hindi, and in English it is the food corn. This is a very important topic. In this, I am going to teach you, if you will go to the doctors will take your very long time, around 1 month, to cure it, and a huge amount of money, and will also give you a huge pain. But I am going to tell you a technique. By that technique, no pain, not a single minute will be wasted, not a single penny, not a single minute will be waste, or not a pain. So how will you do? Practically, this disease, I myself suffered with this disease. My brother, Mr. Mahendra Pandey, the great personality of the Kanpur UP, he told me a technique. I applied that technique. I've been properly cured. This food corn, practically this develops mainly on the foot. What is the structure of the food corn? Food corn, there will be a skin. Skin becomes hard, and roots. Whether you cut the hard skin, you will see there are white roots are moving from a point. And if you are loading at this point, means if you are standing, pressure at this point, and this point gives a huge pain. A pain increases so that you cannot stand on the foot. These are called foot corn. And to me, I have got the foot corn on my foot and in hand also. So what is the cure for disease? Take this is the toothpick, like this iron nail, take, or needle, stitching needle, very thin needle you can take. On flame, let it heated, let it be red hot. Whether it becomes red hot, so sit down and put point at the corn. At this point there is a corn, so red hot portion put over here. So the skin, hard skin over here, it starts burning, and it starts to be black. Gentle way, or you miss very slowly skin must starts burning, and means you are not to pierce it. So there will be no bristle, only skin will burn, and black skin it will come out, because here is a thickness of the skin, so there will be no bristle, and the skin will become black and come out. And you will have to do this for 2-3 days, and you are burning the skin till you can bear. There should not be any pain in burning. Pain should not be. Slowly and slowly you are putting the needle at the point of the corn, like this. You are burning this, and you are taking out. A time will come, after 2-3 days, complete part will be out, roots will be out, and there will be complete healing. And in this operation there is no means burn skin will by burning will become black and will come out. So there will be no wounds, no pain, and nothing is to put over here, any ointment, any bacterial syrup, nothing is to put, and it will be cured. It is very important, and please, and I think in life every person suffers with this. So I praise to my brother Mr. Mahend Pandey, and please, I think the whole world must be cured without waste of any a single minute, single penny, and no pain. Okay, best of luck. In case if you have any trouble, any problem, you can call me, you can comment me, I'll reply. Okay, best of luck.